In this video, we're going to review how to graph exponentials. All right, so exponential graphs can be broken into two possible types depending on the base of the exponential. All right, so the first type is if our base is larger than 1. So we can see we have 2 to the x, which is bigger than 1, 3, and 4 raised to the x. All of them look pretty much the same. They're basically flat on the left side of the graph, and then they have this turn, and they start going up after that. They all look pretty similar, just the bigger the base, the steeper it is. And then we have bases smaller than 1, and they just look at the exact opposite. So now they're going to be flat on the right-hand side and get big on the left. So all these bases, 2/3 is less than 1, a half is less than 1, a tenth is less than 1. All of those are starting big and getting small. But those are our two types of exponential graphs. And if you look at those, there's important things to remember. So again, that fact that the base affects the general shape, you can be going slow and up or down and level off. All these exponentials are going to go 0, 1. And they all have this horizontal asymptote at y equals 0. So whether it's a big X or a big B and you are on the left-hand side or the right-hand side, you kind of level off. As I say, we're going to graph y equals 2 to the x minus 3 minus 2. This is a transformation, but if we kind of ignore this minus 3 and this minus 2, we're just looking at 2 to the x, and we just saw how to graph that. All right, this is 2 to the x, has that point 0, 1, has my horizontal asymptote at that dotted line. Then this minus 3 minus 2 is going to shift everything right 3 and down 2. So this important 0, 1 point is kind of one of the pieces I'm looking at. That goes right 3, down 2. It becomes this green dot. If I move this horizontal asymptote right, it doesn't do anything. It's still this line. But I move it down, it becomes this horizontal asymptote here. This is my final graph. So this is the two main things I'm looking for, or sorry, 3 main things I'm looking for in this. You get this point in the right place because it got shifted. Because it's a base bigger than 1, the shape is right, and you have the horizontal asymptote in the right place. So those are the 3 things I'm looking for. There's a negative 1/3 to the x plus 1 plus 4. First, I'm just going to graph 1/3 to the x, because 1/3 is smaller than 1. It looks like this. And then I'll shift it left 1, up 4, and then flip it upside down to get this purple graph as my final answer. Again, making sure this point's in the right place, has the right shape based on the base, and the asymptotes in the right place. All right, so put all that together, and then you'll be able to graph exponential functions consistently.